Well, now we're going to have a go at making a printed circuit board, and I was wondering how I could make sure that the printed circuit board was parallel to the axes. And I thought, I know, cut a pocket. That'll be how the machine will run. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to cut a pocket. Show you now is how I haven't seen it done anywhere else, make squaring the corners on to make sure that the printed circuit board goes into the pocket nice and cleanly without having to fight it in there. I don't know if you can hear me above the noise of the Dremel. But what I'm doing now is I'm taking the axis further to your right, just a little bit, and then I come back out until it's level with the edge again. And then I do the same for the Y. Wrong way, same as way round. Hang on, back in time. Maybe not, I'll switch off and bring you back when I've done all four, and then you can see what I'm on about. What I've done is I've cut into the corner so that I end up with a right angle, so that when the board goes in, I haven't got anything fighting, I'm not fighting a rounded corner. In the pocket, nice and snug, with a bug in a rug. Right, so all I've got to do now is wait for me bits to come through the post, and I can start making boards. See you for now.